Say. There is nothing more rewarding than seeing your dog reach its fullest potential. Generations of breeding and countless hours of training pay off when you and your dog become a team. Good girl. Our company was born from a love of dogs. And it's because of that we take so much pride in providing products that help you build a better relationship with your loyal friend and hunting partner. We're an active family of outdoors men and women that are dedicated to providing gear the way you design it. SportDOG products provide you a direct line of communication with your dog. When used properly, whether at home or in the field, this will allow you to overcome any obstacle together.